Just getting ready to do the boiling water experiment. Here it's coming up to a boil. I want to see if this is for real. No camera tricks. Alright. Alright, just gotta pause it for now so I can put the water in that cup. No tricks. Empty cup. See all that steam? Now we got the steaming cup of boiling water. Let's see if this is in fact true. Alright. Get a good shot. Follow the cup. 1, 2. That is... Shauna wants to do it again because it's so fascinating.
Take 2.
Alright. Take 2. Steaming cup of water. You want to do it this time?
Nope.
Okay. I guess I'll be doing it. Alright, you gonna follow me? Alright, let's go. Let's go this way this time. So you can see it from sideways.
Alright.
Alright?
Here we go.
1, 2. Hold it up a bit. So you can see when the cup comes up.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. That's crazy. Holy crap.
There's little balls of ice pellets. That's crazy.